All right, so these are all Pythagorean identities. It all starts with sine squared plus cosine squared. That's one I want you to memorize, but I will write down the other two. You can always derive them, though. All right, now from this form, we derived the other two, and we ended up getting tangent square root of x. Actually, let's do theta. Let's keep it constant. Plus 1 equals secant squared root of theta. It's the first one we derived. And then the second one, 1 plus cotangent squared root of theta equals cosecant squared root of theta. This is the big one. Know that one, but the other two you can always derive. And how did we derive these? Good. Derive by dividing by sine squared or cosine squared. So I'm just kind of giving you a note here. I don't want you to memorize these. I'd rather just have you derive them. And actually, on your quiz, I would probably give you 30 seconds at the beginning. I'll just say, all right, derive the other two identities. So it's just automatic. Last year, I didn't do that with my students, and I think they were just trying to memorize it all the time, and they didn't do a good job with when it came to these. Okay, so hopefully this helps a little bit. All right, let's do one example now. You just practiced in 108 manipulating these identities, but now we're actually going to simplify and prove. And you're going to, I think, enjoy this more than what we did last class because I give you the answer in advance, so you know your final destination. Verify the following trig identity. You can transform either side. Cosecant of x, sine of x. Alright, so hopefully this has become an automatic. 1 over sine x minus sine x equals... Now let's work on the other side too. It's going to be helpful just so we get it all in the same form. Cos x over sine x. And you can work on both sides at once. That's totally fine too. Okay. What do we multiply this sine x by? Sine x over sine x. Good. Let's leave the right side alone. Just work on the left. So we get 1 over sine x minus sine squared x over sine x. All right, so we're still on the left. Go ahead, combine. And I wish I had more room. I don't, but that's fine. Move it up over here. So now I have 1 minus sine x, or sine squared x over sine x. Is equal to, now, why don't we go ahead and deal with the right side? Go ahead and combine this. How many cosines do we have? Cosine squared x over sine x. All right. Are we closer to matching? Yeah. All right. I'm going to let you guys finish it up. I think you can figure out how to make a match. Take 30 seconds with your team. Talk it out. All right, Natalie, what is 1 minus sine squared x equal to? Yeah, what identity are you using? Yeah, Pythagorean identity. Cosine squared x over sine x equals cosine squared x over sine x. Do we need to go any farther? Do they match? We're done. So you can go ahead, check it, it's verified. Now,